touch my hair.
Welcome back to a weekly vlog. It's Sunday and we're heading back. I have my daughter with me. I told y'all I moved to Houston and she's coming back. She has a orthodontist appointment for her braces, so she's riding back with me today. We just stopped and got some breakfast from our favorite Whataburger. Their jalapeno cheddar biscuits, epical? Yeah. I don't know. They're good. I don't even know what words I want to say, but they're really, really good. So, Milo and Malia hopefully about to take a nap. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna go ahead and head back home. And that's it. Hey guys. So it's Monday. I don't know if y'all want me to tell y'all like what day it is or just put it on the screen. Like, I don't know if I should be saying, hey, it's Monday, and it says Monday, you know. Maybe I'll just do it on the screen just to start talking to you guys. So I did a wash day and I did a bougie wash day, and oh my god, I absolutely love my hair, how it came out. My color is like so much more vibrant than it usually is. That's Milo. Every time the camera comes on, she's like, hey. All right, guys, sorry, my camera said my thing was full, but I'm about to cook some chili tonight. It's gonna be our dinner. Like I said, well, I didn't say this earlier, but it's pretty cold out here. Like, it's 50, no, it's like in the 60s out here, which is really cold for Louisiana. But before I do this, I want to show you guys what I brought. I absolutely love this from this girl on YouTube. I just recently found her channel, which I think is Love Megs, but she has this cleaning multi-surface cleaning product. Y'all, it smells divine. Like, it smells so good, and it does a really good job. I use it on my countertops. I've used it in of course, just really in my kitchen, the main part, my tables. I haven't used it like in the bathroom, but I just recently got it and I absolutely love this stuff. I thought it was reasonable price. It was to support, and I got it, and I absolutely love it a lot. I'll link her channel down below if you guys want to check it out. I think she has this link in all of her vlogs, but I love this. Like, I just been spraying this around my house just to get the smell. It's like an air freshener, and it's a cucumber melon, but it has like a hint of mint in it. It just smells really I smell it right now. It just smells really good, so I like that. I'm about to go ahead and cook this chili, and I wanted to work out today, but I'm not. It's just late. It's what, 5:45, and I usually like to work out in the mornings. I'm more of a morning workout person, so I may just try to get up in the morning and work out. So yeah. Hi. How you doing? I said I wasn't gonna say what day it is, but it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and we are going. Every time I turn the camera on, all right, I want to show you guys real quick what I got. We're about to eat, and I'm gonna like be really quick with this. It's a Curlbox unboxing. Excuse my dress. I have like this dress that's like sits too high, and like it just don't sit like it's supposed to sit. So we're gonna just go ahead and ignore that. Let me fix my camera a little bit higher, put you guys higher. I got my Curlbox in the mail. It looks like a box of Popeye's chicken. Like, it was like, you got chicken? I'm like, no, it's a Curlbox. So I'm gonna do a quick Curlbox unboxing. I got it yesterday and I was so excited. So it's an Ulta Curlbox. I got the Diva Curl Super Cream. So I'm not gonna use this, you guys, if you don't know the story of Diva Curl, but because I know somebody close to me, her hair got messed up from this, I'm personally not gonna use this Diva Curl. I'm gonna give it to somebody else, probably give it to Micah. I'm not using it.
So you want my hair to get messed up?
Huh? No.
My hair better than yours, so why would you want my hair messed up?
Okay, then. Your hair's better than mine.
Yeah, we know that.
Okay, I was really excited about this. I got the Briogeo Don't Despair hair mask. It's a deep conditioner, y'all. This thing right here, like, paid for the whole box, because this is very expensive. But I heard so many good things about this, but it's quite expensive, so I never spent my coins on it. So I'm happy it came in the box. Curlsmith, this is a moisture memory reactivator, so it's like a curl refresher. I got that in the box. And then this is so crazy because I just did a review on like this brand, like, well, the Curlsmith brand and the WeDad brand, but it came with the climate control gel. I just spent I spent like, I don't know, 20-something on another gel from WeDad that I really like. So I'm super excited about this, like really excited. And then I got this oil. This came in a couple of other boxes. It was 2 little small ones. I've used those up, so I'm happy I got another one. I put these on my scalp. And then, last but not least, we got the Camille Rose Revitalizing Hair Smoother. I'll use this on Milo and Malia's hair. So it's like a, I don't know. It's hair product. I don't know which, it ain't a leave-in. It's like a, I don't know. I'll use it on Milo and Malia's hair. So most of it, I don't use it on my hair. It goes on Micah's curly hair. Let me ask y'all a question. Do y'all want to see me do twists on Micah's hair? I've done that before. 2-strand twists. His hair's growing out. I want him to be able to put a ponytail in his hair. He's almost there. He ain't there yet, poor thing, but he gonna get there real quick. I know I'm trying to play him. And I can't. Alright, so that's it for today. We're about to eat. Micah cooked some roasted potatoes and some beef tips. And then we got some mixed vegetables to go with it. So we're about to eat. Call it a night. Worked out earlier. Ow! Mosquito biting me. We worked out earlier, and I came home. I mean, worked out earlier in our gym. Took a shower. He cooked. We're about to eat, and that's gonna be our Tuesday. So that's it for today. Hey y'all, me again. I'm just sitting here editing YouTube videos is what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm telling y'all, every time I talk to this camera or I turn it on, this one comes running. Like she loves the camera. Hey y'all, hey y'all. She loves it. And I guess I can't blame her. Her mama loves it too, because her mama stay on it too. So, yeah. All right, go finish watching your iPad, sister. So yeah, today I didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't really do much. I went to work. I washed my hair. I redid my hair. Used the same products as I used on my bougie wash day. I used the same products again. And tonight we're going to a parade. It's a college here in McNeese. It's their homecoming parade, so we're going to be attending that. Take the girls. Micah's working late tonight, so it'll be just me and AJ, because I mean me and Andre, because AJ's at work. So this will be our Thursday. So I will insert some clips of the parade here. In the meantime, I got some questions about how I edit my videos or what I use to edit my videos. Hold on one second. Milo, turn it down, please. What I use to edit my videos. So I'm gonna just do like a little, like really fast, quick little show you guys what I do. So I use Final Cut Pro is what I use to actually edit my videos. So I just literally import them and then just go through. And right now, like I said, this is me editing it, this week's vlog. So I will just go through it, review the footage, lower the volume, add transitions, add the dates, and that's pretty much it. So once I do that, then I take screenshots of like maybe this screen, and then that's how I create my thumbnail for what you guys see on my YouTube. So that's it for this. That's pretty much all I do. The vlogs are really easy to edit. So the vlogs are really easy to edit because all I really do is just sit here and talk to you guys, show you guys what I do, tell you guys what I do. I try to make them interesting, but my life is pretty boring. So I just realized that when this is my 3rd week vlogging of the week, and I'm just like, it's the same thing. Get up, go to work, get the girls dressed, do the boys, work out, cook. I mean, if y'all are interested, I will continue to vlog. If y'all are not interested, I will stop vlogging. So y'all let me know if y'all like this type of stuff. If y'all don't like this type of stuff, let me know. All right, so I will show you guys the parade in just a bit. Hey y'all, we made it through the week. It's Saturday, finally. I didn't vlog yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday. I don't know, I just didn't. I'm about to work out, finally. I'll be 2 times this week. Better than 0, but 2 times this week. So I'm about to do that and then go to Milo's soccer game, and that's gonna be our Saturday. Bum, bum. All right, so we're headed to Milo's soccer game. Just took my hair out of being banded. Y'all saw in the last clip when I was working out. That's how I band my hair at night. I got this little cute shirt that says Soccer Mom from Amazon. Got these little leggings from Amazon. And then I got these leopard pumas from, I don't know, these are super duper old. But it matches the leopard in the mom part. So I'm going to brunch after that. Oh, and I have some little leopard earrings too. I'm going to brunch after that with some of my girlfriends and my sisters. So I'm excited. This is what I'm going to wear to the brunch. Something that's a little, like, you know, kind of casual, but kind of cute. That's why I threw the earrings on and the tennis shoes. Other than that, I would have put on my Adidas slides and maybe just some khaki shorts. So, but yeah, we're going to go watch Milo play soccer and go to brunch after that. And then I don't know what else we're going to do this Saturday, but that's our plans for today.